Let's say your car is only blowing cold air. You've topped off your coolant, and then you checked the intake to your heater core like that Chris Fix video you watched that I linked in the description. They were both warm, so no issue there. So then you thought, hey, I should check if it's my blend door actuator. But where the heck is it in my 2011 Dodge Caliber? Here, I'll show you. Just come down here. I'm going to turn the dial here that should actuate the blend door, and I want you to watch this lever here. Look at it go. And I'm going to turn it back. Now if yours isn't doing that, you probably have a bad actuator.